This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any financial decisions. What if I told you there are legal ways the rich pay zero taxes? Stay tuned to learn their secrets and how you can use them too. Welcome to Finance Simplified with Siva. In today's video, you'll discover the insane tricks the rich use to pay zero taxes. We'll break down these strategies into simple, actionable steps that you can understand and apply. Let's dive in. Here's what you need to know about tax brackets. Tax brackets are the foundation of understanding how taxes work. The rich often use their knowledge of tax brackets to minimize their tax liability. By strategically planning their income, they can stay in lower tax brackets. For example, they might spread their income over several years or invest in tax-deferred accounts. Tax brackets determine the rate at which your income is taxed. In progressive tax systems, higher income is taxed at higher rates. The wealthy often employ strategies to keep their taxable income within lower brackets. This can involve deferring income to future years when they expect to be in a lower tax bracket or splitting income among family members through trusts or family businesses. By understanding and planning around tax brackets, they can significantly reduce their overall tax burden. Did you know you can reduce your taxable income with deductions and credits? Tax deductions and credits are powerful tools. The rich maximize these by keeping meticulous records of their expenses and investments. Common deductions include mortgage interest, charitable donations, and business expenses. Credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit can also significantly reduce tax liability. Tax deductions reduce your taxable income, while tax credits reduce the amount of tax you owe. The wealthy often take advantage of deductions for mortgage interest, state and local taxes, and charitable contributions. They also invest in energy-efficient home improvements to qualify for energy tax credits. Business owners can deduct expenses related to their business, such as office supplies, travel, and even a portion of their home if they have a home office. By maximizing these deductions and credits, they can lower their taxable income and reduce their tax bill. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs. Individual retirement accounts allow the rich to grow their wealth tax-free or tax-deferred tax by contributing to these accounts. They reduce their taxable income today and enjoy tax-free growth on their investments. Tax-advantaged accounts are designed to encourage saving for retirement and other long-term goals. Contributions to traditional individual retirement accounts are tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income in the year you make the contribution. The investments in these accounts grow tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the gains until you withdraw the money in retirement. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, are funded with after-tax dollars, but the withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. The wealthy often max out their contributions to these accounts to take full advantage of the tax benefits. Here's how tax-advantaged accounts can save you money. Real estate can be a gold mine for tax savings. Real estate offers numerous tax benefits. The rich often invest in properties to take advantage of depreciation, which allows them to deduct a portion of the property's value each year. Real estate investments provide several tax advantages. Depreciation allows property owners to deduct the cost of the property over its useful life, reducing taxable income. The wealthy also use various tax laws to defer capital gains taxes when they sell a property and reinvest the proceeds in a similar property. This allows them to continue growing their real estate portfolio without paying taxes on the gains. Additionally, rental income is often taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income, and expenses related to managing the property can be deducted. Trusts and foundations aren't just for the ultra-wealthy. Trusts and foundations can provide significant tax benefits. By setting up a trust, the rich can transfer assets out of their estate, reducing estate taxes. Foundations allow them to donate to charitable causes while receiving tax deductions. Trusts are legal entities that hold assets on behalf of beneficiaries. By transferring assets to a trust, the wealthy can reduce the size of their taxable estate, potentially saving on estate taxes. Trusts can also provide income to beneficiaries in a tax-efficient manner. Foundations, on the other hand, are nonprofit organizations that the wealthy use to support charitable causes. Donations to foundations are tax-deductible, and the foundation can invest the funds to grow the endowment, providing ongoing support for charitable activities. You won't believe the impact this one change could have on your finances. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us reach more people who might benefit from this content. To recap, the rich use a variety of strategies to minimize their tax liability, including understanding tax brackets, utilizing deductions and credits, investing in tax-advantaged accounts, leveraging real estate, and setting up trusts and foundations. Remember, these strategies are for educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed professional for personalized advice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. What topic would you like us to cover next time? Drop your suggestions in the comments below.